Hi, everybody. How are you? I hope you're good. I got some friendship mail from Sabrina. That's Sabrina underscore crafty underscore journey. Look at she sent me some cow ribbon. And it's going to be going on my scavenger book. Cool. Oh, look, I didn't have any. I thought I did. But I don't. And then she sent me this patch. Look at it's like a little cool dude on a motorcycle. And then, Dollar Tree came with all those themed cool looking socks, and I was so happy I found this Pepsi pair. And then Sabrina found a different pair, and I love my Pepsi. It's my coffee in the morning. So she grabbed these for me. They're so cool. Alright. And then, of course, we have a tag swap. And, well, we did. We finished it up for the year. So it went to Miss Cat, then to me, and then to Sabrina, and then she sends it out. I don't know which one I got. She did these on a live, and then she wanted me the money or however she picked. So I don't know which one I got. So let's see. Ooh. So Kath did the back, or the watercolor abstract background, and I did the doodling. Cool. Look, and then Sabrina put these on. Leave your mark. That's so cool. Thanks, Sabrina. That's awesome. You too, Kathy. Alright, and then this ATC for November and December. Oh man, I don't know if I did December's. I'll have to ask Sabrina to look. So, ooh, look at December's. Cute. Sweater weather. In November's baby, it's cold outside. They're cute. Them are cute. And as you all know, I'm doing a scavenger hunt, and I needed a trading card and fib art. So I hinted, she did me fib art. That cool. So that will be going in my book. And here's her trading card. So I'm going to put that like this. So cool. I love the little gnomes. They're adorable. And then she sent me, she gets these. She has like a Benz at her. And she got all these bags for shipping. Oh, look at this. And these are for Allie. Allie is going to be so stoked. Dungeon and Dragon dice. So them are for Allie Cat. I don't get it, but Allie will know. So I give them to Allie. So I'll leave them right here because Diamond's coming over today. So that's what and then she got the bigger ones. She's so nice to share with me. Oh, there's a baby thing. I got this yesterday. I didn't open it. I didn't feel good yesterday afternoon. And then, these are like little Ziploc ones. And some. And then, more like. Oh. Long ones. Them are cool. And then these ones like this. I am stocked up on bags for a while. Thank you, Sabrina. Wallet. Okay, let me put that over here. I am, after my sale I'm having, which is the 5th and, are you comfortable, Kat? Yeah, February 5th and 6th, 6 Central, 7 Eastern. Sabrina and I are having a sale. And after that, I'm going to start working on Riley's scrapbook, and I'm like, my baby stuff. And look at, she found me baby stickers. Oh, look at the baby draft. You know, that's going to match. That's what her baby book is, there's drafts. These are cute. So, oh, cute. Thanks, Sabrina. Didn't even know about that. And then I have an idea, and we're going to do this together. Is these little frames. It's going to be a project me and Sabrina are going to do together. Then, I'm just going to take one out. The rocks. Painting rocks. I'm not going to open the bag, but y'all know the rocks. Let's see. See? Like that shape. I got me 2 bags of those. Because Riley loves painting rocks and putting them in my yard. But that's it done. I'm going to put that all in that box like that. Okay, let's get out. I bought these from Sabrina. And you guys, she will have these for sale. They're so darn cute. Look at, they're Beauty and the Beast pens. Cute. I got that type. Which is a little chunkier, I guess. And then I got these type. A little flatter. So cute. Sabrina will be selling some pens on her sale. And kits, I believe, too. So that's pretty cool. So remember our sale on February 5th and February 6th at 6 and 7 Central. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.